There she is. 5 in the morning. I wish the streets always looked like this. It'd be freaking awesome. Hope everybody's doing fantastic on this fine morning. Most of you guys are probably asleep right now. But nah, man, I'm about to head over to the Z now, since I only have one, so I won't really confuse you guys. I only got one Z now. I need to get it towed probably by like 7:30, 8 o'clock. My appointment at Studio RSR. Damn, they out here walking at 5 in the morning, getting the exercise on. Go ahead. My appointment's at 9:30. Get the cage in the car. Cool thing about it, guys, this isn't like a week process or 3 days, 2 days. They actually get this done the same day. So if you guys are interested in a cage for your car, Supra, 370, 350, I mean, they pretty much do cages for all cars. I don't believe they offer like full cages. They just do same day install on 4-point cages, and you know, get it powder coated like whatever color. Oh, champ. So it's pretty cool for them to offer like all custom colors, same day install. Yes, I know I should get like a full cage. It's another one of those things, like it's just a downtime. I'm so like over waiting for shit to get done on my cars, bro. At this point, I just want the fastest way out of this shit. So that's gonna be interesting. Excited to see how that's gonna look in the car.
2 hours later.
Oh guys, finally got some daylight. There she is. My boo thing. Filthy. Definitely have to wash this thing. Alright, so first things first, if anybody has A-pillars, if you're in the SoCal area, holla at me, please let me know. I need both sides, none of the clips being broken. Like maybe if like one of them is broken, that's fine, but I would prefer to find one with all the clips in place, not broken. It's been so long. Bruh. This kills me, guys, to see my car like this. Look at the interior, it's all ripped apart. You know, the crazy thing is, we tore this whole dash apart, took out the damn bay harness, dash harness, all to try to get the S15 running, and none of that stuff was an issue. Goddamn ridiculous. And our rotors look like shit. So yeah, I'm gonna get to washing this thing and try to clean out the inside a little bit. And yep, she is definitely gonna need a new wrap. I mean, it's not horrible, but it's about that time. So yeah, let's wash this thing up. Alright guys, there she is, all cleaned up. Yes, I put tire shine on. What? I'm just happy to see my damn Z. So yeah, she still cleans up pretty decent. I mean, this wrap is definitely donezo though. You can see that it's fading. Done. Fading. Fading. I mean, at the end of the day, this wrap is about 3.5 years old, so it's all good. Not sure if I'm gonna stay Naruto or go a different color. That I don't know yet. Most likely though, because I just love Naruto on the Z. But yeah, front tires look good still. Hopefully they don't have any flat spots. The rears are pretty toast. It's about time for new ones. But yeah, so the only shitty thing for them is gonna be the seat right here. You know, obviously you pull this up and that's what moves the seat back and forth. This thing ended up coming off of the bracket, and it's like a pain in the ass to try to put it on because there's like no room under the seat since I have a planted seat bracket. So yeah, hopefully that's not too much of an issue for them and they can get that on to move the seat forward, because if they can't move the seat, then you can't remove the seat and the cage is not going to go in the car. It's not something that can't be done, but it's definitely like hella tedious. I was trying to get that thing on for like 30-40 minutes and it wasn't happening, so sorry guys. Hopefully you can get it on. Not bad. Kind of wipe down the engine bay just a little bit. Ooh, damn, excuse me. Was that a tome, dog? But yeah, there she is, guys. Ugh, I love this car. I really do love this car. Carbon busting right now though. Okay. Beamer gang, got Pop 750 over here with the massage seats. Oh guys, she's all loaded up, ready to go. Next stop, Cage. Shout out to the tow truck driver. He actually knows who I am. He has the Z. Crazy, man. That's crazy, bro. Love everywhere. Ah, damn, bro. I had to catch up to him. I forgot to give him the key. I don't have his number. Bruh, either this dude's on full boost or he teleported, because I cannot catch up to him. And I promise you, I left like 3 minutes after he left. I'm like, I'll for sure catch up to him, right? Bro, he's nowhere to be found. So I don't know if he took a different way or what, but man, this is all bad. I'm trying to contact AAA so I can get his number, but damn, man. It's always something, bro. It's always something. God damn, man. That should be hurting. $70? And it ain't even gonna last me long. To me, $70 is 100. I don't know about y'all. I'll be rounding shit off. It's just ridiculous. But it is what it is. I'm gonna be waiting for the driver here. Like I assumed, he stopped for gas somewhere that I didn't see. Cause I'm over here like, bruh. There's no way this dude is driving that damn fast. Alright guys, key is secured. Oh, look at my baby. God, I love that car so much. Hey, but for real, I really need an A-pillar though. That should look ratchet without that thing. Alright guys, time to go get like about an hour of rest. It's crazy that this shit got a 3-year-old wrap on it. Ain't been out in the streets in almost 2 years and still looks good.
Day 2.
And we are hopping back into this video, straight into this. Your boy got his diffuser finally for the E90. Very nice. Nothing crazy, really simple. No seat belt. My Carbon lives life on the edge. Amigo. On tres. Oh shit, my boy steak too. I don't want the smoke. Right now I'm dropping the M off real quick over to my boys at Headline Auto Design. Since I pretty much already bought a Carbon hood, I'm just gonna black out the roof just so it flows better. I mean, the 60 Carbon looks pretty good. Where's your tome, sir? The 60 Carbon doesn't look bad at all, but I just want it to flow better because I'm gonna have a real Carbon hood. I ran out of 3M, so I'm just gonna have them slap on the diffuser for me real quick. It's pretty simple. It's only like 8 mils and some 3M, so that should look pretty clean. Bro, what the f is good with you? Fucking dumbass Tesla. Like, Jesus Christ. Like, the moment I hit my blinker, it's like they over there gassing. It's like, bruh. Damn, man. Look at this tree. I'm pretty sure our high winds last week knocked that shit down. Yo, I saw on the news there was someone's tree that fell over on their house, bro, and killed them. Talk about Final Destination. That's all bad, bro. That sucks. Imagine, like, you're just sleeping in your room and then a tree crashes into your house and kills you. Sheesh, bro. That is insane, man. People really lack counting blessings, man. Like, you don't have to get old and die of old age to die. Like, you don't have to get shot to die. You don't have to get in a car accident to die. Like, bro, like, shit out here really can kill you, just like Mother Nature itself. So, count them blessings, man. Damn, Optimus Prime. Sheesh. Thing was clean. I'm just waiting on my wheels. I think we had a back order on some of the hardware, so yeah. Like I was saying, this stuff definitely does not look bad at all. It's just, I'm gonna have a real Carbon hood and I'm gonna have darker wheels, so I think it'll just flow better. 100% need that diffuser on. It's so naked right here. So yeah, I'm probably gonna have to push out the tips a little more, but everything should look pretty clean. So, from the same company that I got the side bumper splitters from, so it should all flow pretty well.
346 minutes later.
Damn, sorry guys, it's a little dark. a little dark. It is dark. But let's see here. Got a blacked out roof now. Okay. Looks good. Looks really good. I think it flows a little bit better with the window tint and just the color of the car in general. Alright guys, and here is the diffuser. Definitely gonna have to try to pull out the exhaust tips a little more because they're like super covered. So we'll see how that comes out. Fitment is decent. It's not the best, but you know, most carbon shit doesn't fit perfect. But it definitely needed that. The whole rear end looks complete now. Very clean. Can't wait for the wheels now. That's all that's left. Oh, and the hood. Yeah, I'm waiting on my hood too. So as far as the hood, I haven't got word from my boy yet if they have the M3 hood in stock. The one that I got was for $335, so they're the same price. So I'm just gonna be pretty much straight trading and just swapping it out. But yeah, I don't know if it's in stock. So if it's not in stock, it's gonna suck because most likely I'm gonna have to wait for like a cool minute. Getting parts and everything right now just sucks, man. Because it's like if people don't have something, you're done. You're done. You're done. Hopefully, I'm gonna hit him up tomorrow and see what he says. Hopefully they have it in stock so I can slap on that hood. I'm real excited for that because I put the other one on and like I could already tell it's gonna look really, really clean. There's really nothing else I really want to do to this car to keep it G. I have a few things coming for the interior, just some little stuff. I do have a steering wheel on the way, but they told me that's gonna be about 7 to 8 weeks. So yeah. Like I'm saying, man, getting parts sucks right now. So just gotta wait, man. Can't really do much besides just be patient. Look at that, man. All the carbon is flowing. Very nice. Much needed. So I'm gonna let this cool off for a little bit. I'm gonna come see what I can do with these exhaust tips. Alright guys, so this is how the tips are sitting right now. I'm gonna try to pull it as far as I can forward and I don't know, see how it goes. Alright guys, well, I'm pretty happy how it came out. Scratched my exhaust right there. Don't know when, but it happened. I can actually go out more if I wanted to. So these tips are actually really adjustable. I brought them out like probably an inch. So it sits really nice now. Perfect. Not too rice. Don't have them sticking out too far. But man, really clean. Oh. Black roof boys now. On that note, I'm gonna go in here and edit this video. I'm trying my best to do a vlogmas all December like I did last year. Upload every day. It's extremely hard, extremely tiring, but I'm gonna try to do it again. There might be a few days I might skip, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, guys, stay tuned, man. This is gonna be a real busy month. Gonna have a lot of updates on the cars. Should be having a lot of labor stuff going on. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. You already know. Drop a thumbs up, subscribe to your boy. Catch you guys in the next video.